Okay, so this is a video for my outfit of the day. Today I wore a blue sweater with diamonds going down it, and it's a V-neck, and it's from Charlotte Russe, and it's got 3/4 length sleeves. And then I wore this, hold on. Then I wore this cami thing under it, and it's got lace on it, and it's navy blue and silky and smooth. Okay. And then I wore this really pretty necklace that I'm in love with that I got for Christmas. And I wore this, hold on, I don't know if you can see that. This ring from Kohl's, blue and silver. And then this bracelet from American Eagle Outfitters. Then I actually have another bracelet. This bracelet from Kohl's. It's got diamonds on it. Then, I just wore, the simple stud earrings. And then I wore my class ring. And then I wore this really pretty scarf that I got from Forever 21. Like that. And then I just wore tennis shoes with it. So, that's basically it. Bye.